kids.
Oh, you scared me.
What? No, it's almost 5.
It is?
Yes.
Is that a camera? No. What makes you think that?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, so there's only
You
4.
got the back of your head.
Okay, it's almost 5. So you can wash up and then eat.
Okay. Point at them.
You were here for 1 hour and a half. Yeah.
Jackie,
Okay, let's go eat.
stop dragging people to the pit. Get back up here. Oh, no. Hey! Oh. You! What? Are you free? Come over. She's eating wrong thing. What? You're out on the... Let go of my ankle! Do you not learn from experience? I'm freaking out. Fine, hold on to my ankle. Robin, she's following you. You guys got you. Are those Barbies?
Barbie?
Oh my god. You have claws. Yes, I do. Ah, my ankle, man. She's vicious. You even have a mark there, too. Thanks. Love you too, Jackie.
Okay, come on, let's go. Maybe
It's almost
we.
5, guys. Fun festival starting soon.
That's okay.
Almost
Maybe
5?
it's good. No, it starts at 5, but we can be there like 6 o'clock.
Okay, we can be there late.
Okay.
What are we gonna do with my hair?
Oh, yeah. The sooner you get out, the sooner it will dry.
We got to get out. Are you ready to get out? I know AJ is. Get away from me, you weirdo!